Alright, shout! And this is our adobong manok. Okay, look at that, guys. Ooh, that's the one I favorite. Chicken adobo. This is our ingredients magic sarap. Garlic, onion, laurel, chicken, soy sauce, black pepper, cooking oil, and this is our ingredients for today's vlog. Alright, let's start cooking for now. Alright, I just put the cooking oil and make sure it's on a lessened oil para hindi siya masyadong mamantika. Ayan guys, oh. And let's wait the cooking oil na uminit sa ating frying pan. Alright? So while we are waiting, I just want to tell you something in a short story. And guys, I love this vlog is more on our favorite dishes of all the Filipinos. That is the chicken adobo. Alright. So if you like this video, so let's start. So let's start to saute the onion first. Alright. According to the chef all over the world, napansin ko and I just started to saute the onion rather than the garlic. And when I try it, the onion smell something good. And then next to it, saute the garlic and mix it well together with the onion and wait the garlic change into brown color. Alright, just mix it well and saute together and wait and mix. Alright, so put the chicken now. So I cut the chicken into the small piece so easily to cook and mix it well together with the garlic and chicken so it will combine the flavor of the onion and the garlic in the chicken. Just so make sure that you saute it together. Alright, so and mix it well until the chicken it's changed to a perfect color like you know. And I'm just concentrating to mix the chicken because I want to be a perfect chef someday. Oh, perfect chef yon.
Oh no!
I just love the cooking only. Alright, so just saute it and make sure it will balance the flavoring. Alright, then next is put the soy sauce dato puti. Ayan, kung napansin nyo, uubusin ko muna tong soy sauce na nasa aking kamay because hindi ko siya bubuksan. And then I put only 1.5 of scoop of the soy sauce. Alright, so and mix the chicken, the soy sauce into a frying pan so it will the soy sauce manuot. Ayun, manuot siya sa chicken. Hindi ko nakalimutan ko na English dyan. So, ayun na guys. Ayun nga. Panuotin natin yung soy sauce sa chicken and wait until it colors change. Alright? Para maglasa na yung soy sauce ating chicken. After that, guys, you have to put the laurel into our chicken para maglasa na yung laurel sa ating adobo and put our favorite magic sarap. Magic sarap is always in my kitchen and it gives to me perfect and more taste to our food. Yan guys, magic sarap is always with me. And then after that, we need to put the black pepper powder. And if you love the pepper powder, just put more. And I love pepper. Alright, after that, you have to saute and mix all together the magic sarap and the black pepper powder. Alright, and don't forget to wait the colors the soy sauce to our chicken. Make sure it will combine all together so it will absorb the flavor and the taste of our ingredients. All right, I just make sure that our have boiling water. So you have to put a cup of water and put together to our cooking. All right, I just put only the halfway of our water and then I will wait it will exactly or not. Then if this is water exactly to yours and then wait for the 5 minutes until it cook. All right, so next we need to put our dato puti vinegar soy sauce after it boiling our chicken adobo. All right, and I will put our vinegar only half of the scoop of our chicken adobo. All right, so make sure it will mix again and it will absorb the vinegar in our chicken adobo para yung chicken ay hindi masyadong umalat at mag-absorb lang yung alat at yung kanyang asim. Oh, let's test for a while. Perfect. Diba? Yan ang tinatawag nating perfect combination ng ating adobo na may soy sauce at vinegar. So wait until 2 minutes again and cover it until it cook. Okay, let's see guys. Let's see. Ooh, it's boiling now our chicken adobo. If you like this chicken adobo, you can gaya my chicken adobo. What is gaya in English? I forgot it. You have to check it out and try it. My dish chicken adobo. All right, so let's put in our serving now our chicken adobo. Oh, you know, 1 2 3 4. Let's put the sauce to our serving bowl. Alright, and this is our chicken adobo. Alright, and this is the finish of our adobong manok. Okay, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, and comment down below and hit the bell button. And this is Jeff Editan TV. Ayan na po ating adobong manok. Alright guys, laging tandaan, walang susuko, kapit lang. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!